Hello viewers, last week I shared that Microsoft claimed Windows 11 24H2 is the most reliable version yet and asked, is Microsoft out of touch? I will leave that video link below and the end of this one. Most of viewers said Microsoft is out of touch. The next biggest group said 24H2 is not the most reliable version yet. It's clear that Microsoft and Windows 11 users don't see eye to eye on 24H2 being reliable. When Microsoft started rolling out 24H2 last October, the update was not smooth and caused many issues. Later cumulative update also create more problem which we have discussed on this channel. In May this year, Microsoft released a mandatory Patch Tuesday update. If you check Windows update history, that was the updates released around May 13 or 14 card 5058411. Reports online said this update caused installation error, random reboots during gaming and performance issues like FPS drop issues. Microsoft has now confirmed it found the cause and has fixed these problems last week. Microsoft released update 50626660 which also added some new features. According to the release note, this update fixed a stability issues that appeared in rare case after the May 2025 security update. Some devices become unresponsive in certain situations. Microsoft didn't explain why, but they say it's fixed. If you had problem like gaming issue, random reboots or fail installation, installing this update should solve them. I usually say only install these optional update if you are having issues, because next month Patch Tuesday 12 August 2025 will include the same fixes anyway. It's look like Microsoft has finally resolved this stability problem that affected many users. Hopefully this update does a trick. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.